extension tutorial. So today we're going to show you how to plug in your SMTP credentials within your website. So to get started, you want to go ahead and add in your Likeable Forms license key and your SendGrid API key. So don't worry if you don't have the API key yet, just check out our documentation and we'll show you exactly where to go to actually grab it. After you've added both of these credentials here, go ahead and hit verify license key and then just give it a second for the key to validate. So after the key has been validated, we can go ahead and move on into our extension settings. Now this is very specific. Your SMTP hostname is provided by SendGrid. And you want to actually copy and paste this letter for letter. It's smtp.sendgrid.net. And we're going to provide this on our website as well for you to just copy and paste to make it a little easier on you. Also, the username, it's a little confusing. It's not your actual API key, it's the word API key. Again, this is going to be the same for everyone, so you just want to go ahead and type in API key. Now, the from name is very specific to you and your website. So it's going to be basically your company name, Likeable Forms for us in our case. And lastly is the port and protocol. So we're not going to cover every variation of the port and protocol. We're just going to handle the recommended configuration recommended by SendGrid. And that's going to be 587 and TLS. Lastly, instead of actually saving your form, in this particular SMTP extension, you want to go ahead and hit Save SMTP Settings. It's this little button on the bottom of your module. And that way you don't have to re-enter in all of your SMTP credentials for every form. And lastly, while this covers the SMTP credentials, SendGrid also recommends domain authentication. So we're not going to cover that in our video, but if you check out our documentation on our website, we'll provide you plenty of instructions on how to actually handle this. There you have it.